students. So we are into code parts. So what is the name of our project? Smart parking system, right? Okay, smart parking system using Raspberry Pi Pico W board. This is the board, okay? This is the board. I've used two sensors here. I will just tell you. One is ultrasonic sensor, another one is IR sensor, okay? That is called as proximity sensor. So I will just explain you first what is the codes, okay? So SSID password, Wi-Fi.h, that is the library first. Then you have what are the pins connection, 16, 17 are the trigger and echo pins, that is from your ultrasonic. And IR pin is pin number 18, okay? Then void setup, in void setup, we have given serial begins at 11,000, that is the baud rate. Trigger pin, output, input, input. What are the input pins and output we have defined over here? Okay, right. Now, Wi-Fi SSID password, we have to take it, that connecting to Wi-Fi, then wide loop. Again, we have defined trigger pin low and trigger pin high, right? So in between, there is a gap of say about 2, and in microsecond, it is 10. Okay, so it is here. You can just check it out. I will share this this thing with you, of course. And there is a calculation of duration. That is distance duration. That is 0.0343. That is the standard value in centimeters. So what is suggest that if it is coming, the distance is less than 10 centimeter, then it will be, it will say that it is, the parking has been occupied. Okay, the where you have to put this on the top of the roof, right? So it will sense the vehicle. Okay, please remember that. And that will tell you whether there was it is empty or not. And the IR sensor, you have to keep it in the entrance. Entrance means entrance gate of the building or parking entrance. So if the vehicle is coming inside, he will come to know with the help of ThinkSpeak, if he has a app in his this thing, whether the parking is available or not, or where the parking is available. That is the point. Okay. So these are the things which we have given. So proximity, it will show no and yes, that I have changed it from yes to no. And finally, I have given the address. Okay. And you have to give the key. That is API key. Yeah, I have written it here, and the things are over here. Now you can see here, I will just tell you, I will just close this monitor. Okay. Right. Okay. I have closed the monitor. Now I will open the monitor again. I have already connected it, and I will just try to show it to you. Now I'm putting my finger or my hand on the top of the proximity sensor, right? Okay. So let's see what happens if I put my hand on the proximity sensor. It is telling parking spot status is free, but vehicle approaching, yes or no, it will be there. Okay. I'm removing my hand. Okay. I have removed my hand. Right. Now parking spot is free, but no, it is coming. Now I will put my hand, that is the parking spot. Okay, I'm talking. It says that it has been occupied. Please, you see this, and there is the vehicle approaching is no. So I will put both the hands. See, one on this and one on this. Yes, it is saying occupied, and approaching is also yes. Right. So you got this on the serial monitor. We have seen. Okay, how does it work? Okay. Right. The pin connections and all, everything will be there. Now what we will do is, I will go to, all right, friends and students, I will just tell you about the circuit diagram first. Okay. I will share the circuit diagram, of course, but what are the things and all, I will just try to show it to you. So what board I have used it? I have used Raspberry Pi Pico W. Okay. What is the difference between this? Because we have to connect, it's an IoT project. Please remember, it is an IoT project. So we have to connect to the web, or we have to connect to the cloud. So we need to have a Wi-Fi here. So this particular board has Wi-Fi. So I have chosen that. So there are two sensors here. One is proximity sensor, and one is, sorry, this is proximity, and this is also, both of them are proximity only, but one is called as ultrasonic sensor, and this is proximity sensor with IR. Okay. So IR sensor, one connection. Both of them are working with 3 volts. Please see here. I have given 3 volts from here, both the points. This sensor also, to this sensor also. This is blue color is a ground point, and this Brown color is also ground. Okay, the brown color is also ground. Okay, right. So trigger pin and echo pin I have connected to pin number 16 and 17. These are pin number 16 and 17, trigger and echo. And IR pin I have connected to pin number 18. Okay, that is already given in the code. I will share those codes with you. So these are the things. Okay, so you have to adjust this preset so that it works properly. You can see two lights are coming. So you have to adjust the small preset over here. Sometimes you get confused whether it is coming or not, or why it is every time high or every time low. So you have to keep it in mind. So this is about this thing. And from here, I'm just connecting it through the wire USB cable. I'm giving it to my computer. Okay. So this is a small circuit. I just wanted to show it to you. Now we have come to ThinkSpeak Cloud. That is in this cloud, we will see in the graph what is the changes, what is happening. So I will just, there is only one field I have kept it here. That is vehicle approaching. That is when the vehicle is coming out, how you will come to know. So please remember, I will just, what I will do is I will just close this thing and let's see what happens. So you can see I have opened ThinkSpeak, that is a cloud. You have to, how you will have so many videos to see. I mean, so many videos are available, how to make your ID password and how to get the API key. So please follow the things with the YouTube, how to make it, and then you can make it. Okay. I will give you the explanation with the documents also. All right. Anyhow, so here you will get, you have to make a channel, right? Then channel there you have to make fields like field 1 and field 2. Suppose you are using two sensors, then you have to make field 1 and field 2. And you have to define it like what is it is for actually. Smart parking system, I have given it here. So whenever the vehicle enters, it will go to up and down because we are using only one sensor. Please remember, one sensor. This is only to give you idea about this thing. You can use multiple sensors also. So because the parking means you have a multiple places, like if it is a bigger area and all. If it is a single area, like single parking, you don't require anything. So you can add up more sensors, but what you have to understand, you have to understand this. That is how it will be showing the parking system on the cloud as we change there in our this thing. So that means in our codes, when you put API number, then you are get logged with this ThinkSpeak account, and whatever the sensor readings will be here with the API key, with the help of API key, it will be shown on the API cloud. Okay, so you can use any of the cloud. There are so many other clouds, IoT clouds, and all. Please remember, this is our IoT based project. Okay. One more thing I would like to tell you is, you can see here, whatever the change, it will take place. Suppose whatever the delay time you have given there, it will change in that delay time, right? Like right now, it is not changing, of course. But when you, if you want to change it, you can just put the reset button and automatically it will give you the changes and all. All right. So this is one project. Probably there is one more project that is just same with MicroPython. So this is part one. Part two, I'll make a separate video for that. You watch that also. The same board, same sensors, but it is in MicroPython, right? So I will make separate video for that. It will be combinedly, I will put it on the channel and you can watch. That means this project can be done in MicroPython as well as Arduino IDE. This is Arduino IDE. What the information you're getting? First, we have tried with Arduino IDE. Okay. So I will just refresh this page and let's see what happens. So see, the graph has come down. That is coming down. That means the vehicle is inside. Okay. Now I will remove it. Okay. I have removed it from this. It will take little time to update, but even then we can refresh it and we will see. So this graph should come up basically. Okay. Right. It has come up. You can see this graph has come up. So likewise, we can check this project. So we can do a lot of things based on this. Please remember. Okay, a lot of things and all we can do it based on this. Very simple project, but very attractive and a very this thing. So using a ThinkSpeak cloud, how we can control or how we can monitor our garage system or our parking garage system or parking system, right? So this is updates will be coming on this every time. You can just, so entrance, whether the place is not there, we can make one more widget there and we can see that. But this is just an idea for you how it works. Okay, I hope you understood this. Huh? Okay, so now please see this. This project is in Arduino IDE. That is, the codes are in C. The same project, what we will do is the same projects we will do it in Python also. That is, we will do in MicroPython also. Same board, everything will be same, and we will try to do it in MicroPython, and we will check there also. Right? Okay. I hope you enjoyed this particular project. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you want anything else, that is, if you want more ideas, please let me know. Please write in the comments.